struggling a bit. Come on, old girl. Come on, girl. Yeah. So other day as well was showing the pump is gone. It works with only a couple of brushes. I think the brushes are gone. It's very likely collector is gone as well. So let's just secure this. Right, that's oil released. Bed is somehow sort of secured. Right. These motors, they got 4 brushes. It appears because it kept sticking and stacking and not working, you have to tap it, and only struggles. That only works on two brushes rather than 4, which indicates with the age and everything it's very likely that it actually motor is got some damage as well. Got a new pump from Flow Fit. There it is. Comes as a full kit. So I'm going to check the mounting points and see how easy it will be to replace. The old unit was fixed on the side, so it had side fixings. The new one has got bottom fixings. So I just pilot drilled hole here on this cross member. I'm going to drill it out and then bolt it from underneath into new unit. So nice and easy. Bolt underneath, then I can be seen. Bolted the unit now to that cross member. Connected the positive to solenoid. Now I'm going to route through into cab our nice new shiny up and down switch. I could just connect the old one, I suppose. Nah, got nice shiny one. We'll fit that. So I just loosely laid the cable. Say to go from there. If I tuck it underneath, through there, I'll just get to the front. And yet I need to go in, through and back up. So I'm about good 2 or 3 meters short on the new cable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the old one. As you can see, it's been running like this for a while. The winter was cold, wet and horrible. Got new strap now because it needs to have earth to the motor. So my semi-temporary permanent solution comes out. That's going to go there and bolted there on the chassis. Then I can put cover back on. An M8 stud with a couple of washers and nuts, and that's how earth strap connected. Now I'm just gonna cut this about a little bit so I can actually fit it on without this cover, without removing the whole thing off. So cut the bottom bit off. There you go. One pump installed. And moment of the truth. Lovely jubbly. All done.